Dude, when I was like looking for jobs and like all of that, and यहाँ पे तो एक तो first of all, normally after years also people do convert. Initially तो you convert every single penny and you're like bro इतने का तो हम नहीं खाएंगे. 60 रुपए का एक टमाटर है, टमाटर नहीं खाएंगे क्योंकि $1 का
Yeah.
टमाटर होगा. So then you're like bro 60 rupees one tomato, I can't have it, I'm sorry. Like this is not the case. So initially when we're looking for jobs and all this and that, सबसे पहले the thing comes up is oh insurance, and job is also important because job से
Yeah.
insurance है. So
हाँ.
that's how you get like वरना तो मतलब हेल्थ की
Yeah.
लग गई तो तुम मतलब लग ही गई पूरी. So we were going, then we got a job in this and that. Bro, suddenly it became like before going somewhere we are like ये कर सकते हैं हमारे जॉब में कोई डिस्काउंट मिलेगा ये स्टोर के अंदर जाना है क्या ये डिस्काउंट देगा. Bro, after a point it became too much. We are like listen, we really need to stop this chindi fund, like this is getting too much now.
हम लोग रेगुलर लोग हैं है कि नहीं? क्या बोलते हैं तुम? आम जनता, मैंगो पीपल, राइट? हमको प्रैक्टिकल होना है, प्रैक्टिकल जिंदगी है, राइट?
But it doesn't
No,
stop
but
the
recently I was watching this reel, okay, where this guy was asking questions to kids in Canada, ki how's it, blah blah blah. So this girl said that when I came here, things were still okay. Now she's like, मैं धनिया खरीद रही हूँ $4 का, and I'm
bro.
like, oh bro, like Indian मैथ्स में तो वो बहुत ज्यादा है, धनिया के तो इतने पैसे नहीं कोई दे सकता.
अरे भाई बहुत अरे चलो जब तो मैं तो अभी आई हूँ मैं तो आई हैव तो कम दिस ईयर ओनली इस साल में तो सबने बोला है कि ग्रोसरीज अनबिलीवेबली एक्सपेंसिव एंड दिस होल यूएस इलेक्शन थिंग दैट हैपेंड a lot of people obviously wanted Kamala to like come to power, but the reason there was so much majority towards Trump is because the maximum that people saw go up in the US was in the Biden rule was groceries and like expenses.
Hmm.
Eggs के cost, bread, milk, these costs went up. And Canada's economy is entirely dependent on how US. एक तो world में a lot of people are dependent on the US. Canada though is completely piggybacking on the US. So that's why a lot of people in the US were like, what affects you more is your egg costs, your this thing costs. Because I was watching a couple
Yeah.
of in my office, there were a couple of discussions where they, like my colleagues were saying, my cousins who live in the US also voted for Trump, and I had like they had asked them, what is wrong with you? Like, why wouldn't you like vote for? You could have had the first female president and like women's rights and like all of that. And the first thing they said was nothing affects us as much as your daily bread and butter does. And that is more important, which is the decision that we took. And that's legit what a lot of discussions have said. A lot of people personally who have voted for Trump have also said. So अभी हर चीज में and Canada's एक तो Canada's economy has gone like in a different direction altogether. Bro, we buy tomato for like $1 each, which is 63
Bro,
rupees for one tomato,
how
bro.
are they selling टमाटर by one? मतलब isn't it like पाव किलो, आधा
नहीं
किलो,
हाँ
1 किलो?
पाउंड का कॉस्ट होता है लाइक पाउंड वगैरह का कॉस्ट होता है बट इफ यू ऑल्सो जैसे एक टमाटर उठा लिया पाउंड का कॉस्ट बोलो कि पता नहीं $6-7 है पर
Ah,
उसमें अगर 6 पीस आएंगे मतलब आप एक एक टमाटर तो
ah.
$1 का खरीद रहे हो ना.
So I think that's why a lot of people get canned tomatoes and all. Like whenever I'm
Yeah,
watching recipes, they are
yeah.
always like
No,
canned
but
tomato.
also no, I don't think it's just because of that. I feel like the kind of food people here do a lot of meal prep. People do like
हाँ.
like because you don't get time because you have people travel to work and like all of that. So लोग canned चीजें लेते हैं क्योंकि you can use it for longer and you can buy these things in bulk and keep it for longer. Like
Yeah.
यहाँ पे Costco is basically for bulk. It's like Metro for us. And you basically bulk मतलब ऐसा bulk कि मतलब 4 generation use कर लेगा वाला bulk. Because like we got like I remember एक बार we got excited we were like हाँ अभी हम fruits Costco से लेंगे क्योंकि मतलब ज्यादा चलेगा. Bro, we had like some 23 apples in that bag. We didn't use it for we had to freeze those
Vesh,
apples to
you
use it.
were like वो स्कूल में जो problem sums होते हैं ना, if Vesh boy buys 23 apples and
Exactly.
Vegank buys 48. हाँ.
How many do they have? How long does it take for them to finish? And if they have one apple once in 5 days, how long does it take for the apple to finish? It was exactly like that. We had to freeze those apples. And
Oh
then we
man.
froze those apples and then yeah, it was a night. Then we realized कि Costco से नहीं करते हैं. Costco से ये normal चीजें लेते हैं जैसे तो टॉयलेट पेपर, टिश्यू पेपर और मतलब ये सब चीजें लेते हैं ताकि हम मतलब चला सके टाइम पे.
So जब भी डीडी के घर पे वो 1,000 bottles मिले बेबी ऑयल के, the lawyer was like, yeah, because you get a good deal in Costco. And I'm like,
Bro,
Sure.
dude, people won't even like. We have a friend, and not just that particular friend. Also, यहाँ पे जिन जिन लोगों के पास like अपना घर है and like they have like their basements and all of that, dude, you go to their basement, it'll look like they are preparing for like some 6 month lockdown or like some 7 month lockdown because there'll be
Bro,
like
I think after the lockdown, everyone is probably low key prepping for a कुछ भी हो सकता है.
no, I think यहाँ पे generally भी ऐसा होता है because वही चीज हो जाती है.
Hmm.
Costco आप जाते हो ना, it's like you people don't spend less than like $200-300, which is like 15-20K at one go is what people spend, and they probably go once in 2 months, once in 3 months, but they have like
Oh.
24 rolls of tissue paper, toilet paper. They have like a pack of so now the famous thing in Canada, Costco gives beer and wine now. It's legal for now Costco to give out beer and wine. ठीक है, तो obviously when we went this time to Costco, we got excited. We were like, bro, beer उठाएंगे क्योंकि bulk में मिलेगा. तो we were
Hmm.
like, हाँ, हम घर पे रख लेंगे, like कभी भी काम आ जाएगा, friends आ गए, ये हो गए. Bro, we couldn't pick it up because it was a pack of 48 cans. And we were like, that we can't keep. Like, there's no space in this house to store 48 cans and be like, kabhi kaam aa jayega. We are like, jab chahiye hoga, 2-3 can utha ke leke aayenge, like, kaam chal jayega, it's
But
fine.
is it way cheaper? Like the 48 cans?
Yeah, it will be. Like,
Okay.
but the thing is now, you have to be okay with spending that one shot cost. Instead
Huh.
of spending those $6 when you need versus you spend $75 at once. You see the
Huh.
scale?
Yeah.
But obviously, per unit cost is much cheaper in Costco. Definitely is. But that's the thing. Do you want to spend that bulk and then just buy it and keep it, which is what most people do?
So
Like,
Costco is like only for bulk, and Target is like your day to day.
हाँ,
जैसा I tell the
Walmart,
big
yeah,
bazaar.
Canada में there's
Walmart.
no
हाँ.
Target, so
Okay.
Walmart यहाँ पे like, and Walmart also, what we've realized is only Desis go to Walmart because we are so familiar with Walmart. The local Canadians or whatever, they go to cheaper places, bro. Walmart is more expensive.
Ah.
Like there are other places like No Frills and things like that, which is cheaper and quality though is pretty much the same everywhere. And people go there because we went to No Frills not because we went somewhere and someone had told No Frills is right here, No Frills is right. And I was like, what is this No Frills? Then like we went and we were like, oh bro, ये तो काफी सही है. Like you get more variety also, it's cheaper
Okay.
also. But Walmart, if you go now, I will hear every language. Mallu, like there'll be Telugu, in Tamil. I'm not kidding. Like I've heard every language in Walmart because we are so comfortable with Walmart that we go there and you
Yeah.
get Indian groceries there. You get bro Parle Ji. You get like in every nukka you can buy Parle Ji. Like it's very homely like that way.
Bro, I have not met people who eat Parle G in a while. I to love Parle G. Like if
Bro, Parle Ji's are daily diet. If there's no Parle Ji for like dubki in chai, then they can't start. It's like that. It is literally like that. पार्ले जी घर पे हमेशा होता है शक्कर हो ना हो नमक हो ना हो घर पे पार्ले जी रहता ही है.
listen, I've seen some people have when they're hungry, they take a glass of water, dip Parle G, and have that also.
That I can't do. Bro, now my new obsession is now I figured out this almond rusks, which I didn't know.
Ooh.
You remember Bachpan when we used to have these egg biscuits?
No, I don't.
It's not made out of egg. It used to be in a shape like that. They were these biscuits like bakery biscuits only, but वो घर पे आके देते थे भैया, fresh bakery वाले. Bro, it tastes so good. And now I'm like a fan. Now I'm like I think it's healthier, but calorie wise तो काफी ज्यादा है. I just don't see the nutrition label. I'm like rusk is healthy, तो मैं खा रही हूँ.
Bro, which मतलब in no, I don't know. See, अभी कनाडा में शायद रस्क अच्छा बनता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ना I've seen like these reels, okay, where people are making मखाना उसके ऊपर चढ़ के like there are like 10 guys stamping on like it's a grape thing, making makhana.
Oh,
I've seen rusk where people are stamping on that rusk का dough and तो मेरा तो भरोसा उठ ही गया है ये सब चीजों से.
अभी
Not
हम
like I
बोलो,
give a shit. If I see it, I'll eat it.
that's the thing. It's a matter of convenience. I will get over these things in 2 minutes and eat it again. But ये
Yeah, yeah.
movies, I will watch it and I won't get over it for a year. But these things I'll get over in 2 minutes because I'm like, हाँ ठीक है, किसका पैर ही तो लगा खा लेते हैं. Because you like it, na? So you find a way to be okay with it. But movie देखो, fiction भी देखो, then you're just like, bro, how can you do that to her? No, but like, it'll stay with me for a year. But this I'm okay with. Bro, mind बनता है, तो ऐसे ही तो कुछ वो करके वो फैशन में दिखाते हैं कि वो सब जाके पैर वैर लगाते हैं, वैसे ही माइंड बनता है।
You know
ग्रेप
what?
का
I was out with my dad, na, and we stopped at some redi. We were eating pani puri, and my dad is like, "यार मजा नहीं आया." I was like, "क्यों?" Like, यार gloves पहने थे उसने. He's like, he's
See,
not a
uncle
true
gets it. He gets
professional.
the point. It's too professional. It's too clean for you. उसमें taste नहीं आता है.
You know, यहाँ पे पानी पूरी stalls में वो लिखता है ना कि we use only Bisleri water. I'm like, bro, chill. You're in
Yeah.
Mohammadwadi. Calm down. Act your age.
5 रुपए का पानी पूरी and you use Bisleri water. 5 रुपए थोड़ा
Bilseri.
ज्यादा. 25 का भी हो, वो भी तुम Bisleri यूज नहीं कर सकते हो यार.
So yeah.
Okay, I
What
think
now about
coming back.
Bollywood?
Coming back. Sheena, coming back to Bollywood vibes.
Why am I doing dab dub dab dub dab dub?
No, I'm doing.
Oh, acha.
I'm not the taker. It was me.
Acha, what did Mrigank have to say about Bollywood vibes?
Bro, what he said is he lied in front of other people that I haven't watched it when he was like before every dinner. I'm like, क्या देखना है? लगा ना बॉलीवुड है, इसका एक और एपिसोड देख लेते हैं.
Listen, even Mihir does the same thing, huh? Like he wants to watch all these things. जो अपना Call Me Bay है, he started without me. He started without me. I was not even in the house tabhi. And he's like, yeah, I'm just casually watching and all. So even my dad, like, you know, my mom is watching Anupama every day. And he's like, what shit? But he knows everything about this show. And I told me कि wait, I'll also watch. And no, he continued watching. तो मैंने Call Me Bay देखा ही नहीं. मैंने बस ऐसा ऊपर से देखा. But Call Me Bay is like Shalini Pasi. She's also done everything. Have done a course. Have you watched the show?
Yeah, bro, I really like the show.
मेरे को I saw bits and pieces and I was like देख लिया. मतलब I got the gist.
It was like a Sasta Emily in Paris.
Yeah.
It was
Yeah.
it was like exactly like a Sasta Emily in Paris.
Arey, and it was one more show.
That was also Dharma Productions only.
Arey, there was one show in which there are these 4 girls. They are journalists. They're working in this magazine.
What show is this?
Fuck it. One good show only. ऐसा ही time pass ही था. It's a girl kind of show. I'll tell you what. मेरे को ना बहुत ज़्यादा like I just don't like listening to new music. I listen to the same 6 songs all the time.
Same. And now I've gone back to like listening to like all my bachpan ka Bollywood songs, bachpan ka like Tamil songs that I used to listen to in school. Like now I listen to only those things because I'm like, what are these new songs? I'm like, I don't want to do it. I
But
go
what
back
are
to
these new songs? I don't want to listen to Travis Scott and all. मतलब तुम कुछ अच्छा बनाओ तो मैं सुनूं ना. Unless something has caught my attention on Reels, which plays like
Shreya,
back to
let's
back.
face it, we don't know new songs. We listen to the same.
I don't know any new songs, bro. I
But
have.
you're at least around people who can introduce to new music. I'm around people where
We
both
are
of us
also
are
listening to the same old songs only. Everyone, like
everyone.
yeah, everyone, bro.
So it's
This
not
new
just like
music
it's
is
just it's not. Dude, I to keep telling Vivek because I steal his when I want to look
Spotify
cool
list, na?
in yeah, I play his listen Spotify and when they say cool songs, I say yeah, thanks. I don't know what song it is. I'm just playing because in a party they'll get bored of keh do na, you are my Sonia.
Bro, after 12 o'clock, everyone also listen to that only. Before that, there are like different phases in a party. जहाँ पे शुरू में
Yeah.
they're like, oh, you like this music, na na na. And then 12 बजे के बाद अगर तुम छैया छैया पे नहीं नाच रहे, मतलब
I
तुम्हारा पार्टी कैंड
खत्म
है.
ही नहीं हुआ. Yeah, true. And then yeah.
Oh, so you know what? I'll tell you. It starts off with like this. मतलब आई एम सेइंग प्रिटेंशियस क्योंकि मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं वो म्यूजिक. हाँ, इट्स स्टार्ट लाइक डिचिक 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 एंड देन स्लोली इट बिकम्स लाइक अ लिटिल लाइक ओके ईडीएम जहाँ पे थोड़ा नाच रहे कैल्विन हैरिस बज रहा. देन इट गोज टू न्यूक्लियर. I don't know if you play nuclear. It is like the mix ki bro, no, we are still in this zone. And then after that, it will be like abhi to party shuru hui hai. So this transition.
Then there'll be a honey sing in between to tell you like char bottle vodka calm mera roska to like give you a little bit of that
Yeah,
rap
yeah.
one also. Yeah.
Then
True.
one person be like, oh my god, I love this song. I'm like, bro, we all love this song. Shut up and dance.
Dude, but I'll tell you this funniest thing. This nuclear reminds me. So at my wedding now, what they did is, so after we got married in COVID now, so after a point they're like 11 o'clock was like the shutdown. It was like
हाँ.
pre-COVID. So like 11 o'clock shutdown, matlab shutdown. But it was a Punjabi wedding and everyone was like hammered and like obviously friends were all hammered and they're like they didn't get off the dance floor. So the DJ said, okay, now I'll get people off the dance floor. He started playing techno. Okay.
Oh,
Because
nice.
पंजाबी शादी में कौन टेक्नो पे नाचेगा? सब निकल जाएंगे, खाना खाने जाएंगे.
Oh, they danced on that
तो
also.
हमारे दोस्त सारे खाना छोड़ के वापस आ गए डांस फ्लोर पे बिकॉज टेक्नो बज गया एंड बाय देन देयर वर सो मेनी लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाट कॉकटेल्स दे वर हैविंग सम कॉकटेल्स दैट वर बीइंग मेड एंड दे वर हैविंग इट सो नाउ दिस डीजे इज पैनिक्ड बिकॉज ही इज लाइक ब्रो दिस वाज माय शट डाउन म्यूजिक एंड इसके बाद के लिए मेरे पास है ही नहीं म्यूजिक एंड ही इज लाइक मेरा टाइम का हो गया लाइक आई एम कटिंग ऑफ then we only took and we were only playing Akh Mare.
Listen.
And then we were playing Honey Sing and then DJ फिर हम ही बन गए बिकॉज उसके बाद आपको डीजे की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि अब बीच में डिचिक डिचिक चाहिए ही नहीं आपको
Yeah.
अभी छोटा चाहिए एंड लाइक यू नो ऑल ऑफ दैट यू नीड दोस सॉन्ग्स नाउ
You know what? हमारा एक रिसेप्शन ना अमरावती में हुआ था, मीर एंड मीरा, एंड ना इट वाज लाइक एक अमरावती के छोटे से हॉल में था जहाँ पे देयर वर लाइक 500 people sitting on chairs and we were on the stage. So they were just sitting and they were like, okay, now start entertaining us like that. And there was pin drop silence. There was no
Oh my
music.
God.
It was like a कार्यक्रम proper. It was not a function. So and dude, the reception was so chill. Like I have worn my best friend's lehenga. I didn't have clothes for my own reception. I have done my own hair, and meko wo din like this part started paining. So one uncle was like, yeah, I think it is kidney stone, but don't worry. So all my photos are like this because it's paining so much. I've done my own makeup in 15 minutes. I've done my own hair, and I'm like, okay. I was like, walk down for the reception. I've gone
But
on
did you have
stage.
kidney stone? That's my question.
Yeah, I did. So
Oh
all of a
shit,
sudden
you did?
my yeah, तो मेरी रिसेप्शन की सारी फोटोज ऐसे ही है. मैं बस खड़ी हूँ पेन में and I'm taking one bouquet. I'm like thanks. तो
Oh
I'll tell
my
you, this is the
God, that's
funniest. Na?
painful. That's very painful.
So there were 500 Maharashtrians from Amravati, and there were like maybe 12 Sardars from Pune who are just like, हमको तो राड़ी करना है. No, food is not opened because Maharashtrians believe कि listen, what snacks and all, like there will be proper dinner. Don't
Dinner,
waste your
yeah.
space.
My bhabhi is also Maharashtrian, na, so we had like proper like start se ekdam like fat.
Yeah. So
Like
dude,
full.
my cousins and all were getting so restless. They were like बोर हो रहा है. I'm like, dude, मैं stage पे मैं क्या अभी तुमको क्या entertain करूंगी? So my brother has taken some speaker from somewhere. He's put his aux, okay, and now he's playing music. वो तभी वो था ऊंची है building So he's playing music. बीच में उसके call आ रहे हैं वो loudspeaker पे. All 500 people can hear. He is taking calls and all. So Mihir has gotten off the stage mid reception. The stage is just like 4 steps. So and he removed the aux. And he's like, shut up everyone. And we walked back to the stage.
And you were still standing like this with your
I'm just
kidney
standing
stone.
there, bro.
Oh my
Listen,
God.
so bro, I like in Maharashtrian weddings, I've gotten the most random gifts. And like one person got a poem for us, which he insisted that he wants to read on the stage. And
No way.
yeah,
No
really.
freaking way.
And it's in Marathi. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रही पूरी.
मीर को समझ में आएगी.
Bro, we were all like very sweet and all. हमको कुछ घंटा पता नहीं उसमें क्या है. But it was a fun this thing. And dude, in all our functions there was benga na. Like my relatives were like, ये हम घर पे नहीं खाए कभी.
Why बैंगन? Why? What is this प्यार with बैंगन?
पता नहीं तभी खेत में वही उग रहा होगा. So, but I have seen like a lot of Maharashtrian weddings I've gone for, they've always had bengan. It is their paneer. Yeah.
No, I'm thinking, but वही हो जाता ना, like I didn't eat much at my brother's wedding, so I didn't know कि मतलब बैंगन से क्या प्यार है, क्या नहीं है,
It's a
वगैरह.
छोटे वांगी.
I think होगा कुछ ना कुछ तो पक्का ही होगा, without a doubt होगा.
मेरे काका just walked inside the room.
Bro, it's 1 a.m. So now he's just like, I don't know how long I can wait, not be in the background. वो तो चला गया सोने.
Some veg sushis also I like. Some.
No, I've had fantastic, like there's this one place in Bangalore that I've had the absolute best sushi at. It's called Lucky Chan. Whenever you go next, you should go.
Bangalore.
I was like unbelievably good. But that's the thing, but that's where it stops. Like, but वहाँ पे भी I think मैं थोड़ा, मतलब मैं कहाँ 40 पीस खा लूँगी फिर मुझसे नहीं होगा। I think what I can eat non-stop is
वैष्णवी, 40 पीस। Listen, hello. I love how you casually dropped 40 पीस खा लूंगी, उससे ज्यादा नहीं होगा।
नहीं मेरा मतलब है मैक्स टू मैक्स से खा भी लिया उसके बाद करना क्या है? Like I don't think sushi can do that to me. I feel like sushi मुझसे नहीं होगा. What can I have like उतना? I think I can have dosas, bro. Like I can have like बहुत सारे dosa. Like dosa and sambar I can have like 3 meals in a day.
But plain dosa and sambar, क्योंकि if you have like
Yeah.
ghee podi dosa, masala dosa, cheese dosa, that I think I can have maybe 2 or
I
1.
can have plain dosa. I can have plain dosa. मतलब I mean there will be a limit, but plain dosa I can have like quite a bit. Anyway, and my favorite type is also plain dosa with sambar. I think because
उसमें
घर
no ghee वी nothing.
हाँ, but it's made out of ghee. Like
हाँ,
it's not that dripping wala ghee, not restaurant wale. Like घर का, I think I can have dosa sambar like 3 meals in a day.
लोनी।
Breakfast. Yeah. Like I can have हाँ मैं काफी खा लूंगी। पर
No.
सुशी तुम कितना खाओगी? Like how much will you have? 40 तो नहीं clearly from what
So
how you
Meher and I went for unlimited sushi because we were also like, यार बहुत महंगा पड़ रहा है to buy plates and all. So I found
yeah.
this. हमारे घर के उधर Hilton has opened and no one's there. We were the only ones. वहाँ पे वो लोग unlimited sushi दे रहे थे. It was
हाँ.
हिंजेवाड़ी में तुम Hilton open कर रहे हो. So we ate 8 rolls. हाँ, we ate 8 rolls. We ordered for 4 plates in
कितने
one
pieces?
घंटा। अबे full roll we ate, जिसमें
So
से like
I'm
तुम 10 sushi, so we ate 80 sushis, I think, like 80 or
See,
maybe
that's what I
70.
meant. I didn't mean rolls. I meant like those pieces. You can have 40 of those, na?
Yeah, I also ate like 30, 35
See,
maybe. Yeah.
unnecessarily you judge. I'm not talking about having 40 of those rolls. I
What I
didn't
judged
say
was
pieces.
how casually you were like 40 खा लिया उसके बाद और क्या। Like as if it was starter and now where is the main course?
But the sushi, it is starter, main course. मतलब सभी वही है यार.
Yeah. Okay, bro.
जो तो choco chip cookie. And Mrigam was like, रस खा ले. रात को भूखे
Wait, but how can you just eat rust like that only, dude? It is not edible. Inedible,
No,
unedible.
I'm telling you, that's what even I thought. But you have to do these rusk don't taste like rusk.
Oh, so they're like probably good quality. ये रस खा रहा है।
Mm. No, they taste like cookies. The
Oh.
thing is, it's in that.
हाँ.
I used to hate rusks, and I used to be like, "ये चाय में डुबकी मार के he switched from Parle to rusk." I'm like, how can you do that? Like Parle is full of sugar. That's what you should like. Then one day there was no Parle at home, so I was like, ठीक है, try कर लेते हैं rusk. Bro, it was damn tasty. Then I was like, no wonder ये पूरा डब्बा अकेले खाता है. Then now like we got 2 dabbas this time when we came.
Listen, you know what? Sometimes when you're eating something really good and your partner has not realized it yet, so there's a very short window when the other person's like, ये क्यों खा रहा है इतना व्यंजन? So अपने घर पे ऐसा कुछ चॉकलेट वॉकलेट है and
एक
I
महीना
don't
निकल
like
गया. पता ही नहीं
yes.
चला कि रस अच्छा होता है ये वाला. I have 95% good option like
It's
voting.
arts, you don't
Then
understand.
then I realized and I was like, I'm not doing this at all. I'm not
It's
doing this anymore.
fashion.
Yeah, then I just gave up. And plus after coming to Canada, so there are only 3 colors: black, white, or grey. ये तीन ही पहनते हैं लोग. If I wear this green also outside, I'm a very colorful person.
Eh.
People wear just black, bro. Black is everywhere. Black, grey, white. 3 colors. That's it.
Listen, that day I'd gone to one kirane ki dukan, okay, and this uncle was wearing like the most jingming shirt, okay. It was like borderline like what Riddhima Kapoor wears, like wo bling bling wala. And he had so much hair coming out of his ear, and he had like that long fingernail.
Oh God.
But I was just like, yeah, this can only happen in India where he's just like, हाँ पहना है,
This
हाँ
is
बाल
not
निकल
bad.
रहे, एक उंगली का तो लंबा होना ही चाहिए नाखून. So
वो करते भी क्यों? कान खुजलाने?
yeah, yeah.
That's disgusting.
I asked one person once, and he said, yeah,
And
for the year.
this, you know, you can go to the doctor and ENT and get it cleaned.
Vaishnavi, you can get 10 रुपए का Johnson's bud and get it clean.
Apparently, that's not good for you. Apparently, you're not supposed to use earbuds. My
यार
ENT told me I'm supposed to use earbuds. It's
you
still
are
better than the
pregnant.
nail. No, I don't have an ENT. In Canada, even having a doctor is a big deal. I got every part of my body checked before I left because here you don't get appointments. So वहाँ पे my ENT said that you shouldn't use earbuds.
Bro, I think it is for those people who don't, मतलब जो घुसा घुसा के, they're
Listen,
like
you're not
और
supposed to use. Don't get validation कि मैं पूरा नहीं घुसाती, मैं सिर्फ 2 सेंटीमीटर घुसाती तो मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ. डॉक्टर अगर पढ़ाई लिखाई करके बोल रहा है यूज मत कर तो मत कर.
I
जो
do use it
घुसा
for my
घुसा के
makeup
करता है.
also. Like
Makeup is
when you
not
have
going
one
inside,
fuck
no,
up
so it's fine.
and you just want to clean that one dot.
But that makes sense. You're using it for like a genuine cause.
Listen, I don't know, but every time I use my earbud ना, like इतना गंदा कैसे होता है कान, bro? What? How is all this dirt going inside your ear?
Or is producing it.
Oh man, that's even worse.
That is even worse. Or is it worse than the content that we're discussing?
Listen, where we don't draw such truth. Listen, I don't know if you had this conversation with Mrigank, okay? So whenever me and me like we talk about कि यार when our kids are there उनके क्या values होंगे, like हमारे parents तो like हमको सिखाते हैं ना कि don't do this, don't do that, this is your religion. So we are like when we are pregnant we will do like a crash course in our religion. Like we will be like teach me everything in Bhagavad Gita फटाफट. So that when they are born we're like, oh, we always knew this, you don't know.
In modern family, there's this I don't there's this saying where Claire says that you don't need your kids to know who you used to be.
Yeah.
They need to know who you wish you were, and they will anyway fall short. They should fall short of who you wish you were, not who you really were.
That's so true.
This is exactly like that, bro. The other day we were in we were in office, and it was my first Diwali here. So I was like, okay, I have a lot of like non-Indian, like it's a good mix. So I was like a lot of like nationalities. I'm gonna take like some nice like laddu and like kaju katli and like get some nice like nice sweets for everyone and everything. And like one of our leaders asked, so why is Diwali celebrated?
Oh man.
Okay, so there's this other colleague of mine who's Indian, but she's not very familiar with the story because she's Christian. So she's like, I don't know too much. So she looked at me, she's like, do you want to take this? And I was like, oh God. The only advantage I had was that jo bhi bolungi na, they have to believe me because she also doesn't know it. Clearly, the others don't know it. So the thing is, she went into another. She's like, dude, I thought this was about like Ram and Sita going into exile. And I was like, no, bro. I was like, there's a
They're
reason
coming
why.
back.
Yeah, I was like, no, and I was like, this is one thing I know I can talk about. And then I said, and I was like, there's a reason Dashara happens right a couple of days before Diwali because that's when like the
Huh.
big they have victory over Ravan and like and then they come back home and that's why you light those diyas because you're basically and it always happens in a no moon night because you that's why you light those diyas and like it's the festival of lights because you're welcoming them back home. It's like an identity that this is your home. And I said this entire story and they were like, wow, really? I was like, yeah. And then I had to go back. Thankfully, I was right about everything. But then it put मेरे को इतना pressure feel हो गया. I was like, shit. अगर आज मैं कुछ मतलब गलत बोल दूंगा, it'll be so insulting. But I still had an advantage that no one else would know I was wrong.
No, yeah.
Yeah, but
Bro,
thankfully I
you
was
know what?
right.
I तो feel कि one of the biggest loophole of Diwali is कि वो लोग they are coming from Lanka, Sri
Yeah,
Lanka.
yeah.
So don't you think कि how can the whole country celebrate Diwali on one day because अभी तो वो पहुंचे हैं.
No, they don't.
Okay.
You know that we in the southern part, we always have Diwali one day before the north.
Ah,
So like whenever if it's
which
Diwali
makes
for
sense.
yeah, it's always one day before. And I never understood the concept of it, but then when you grow up, then it makes sense why it's one day
हाँ,
before.
क्योंकि वो लोग अभी नीचे आए, फिर भी वो लोग अयोध्या आएंगे.
और 24 आवर्स में मुझे नहीं लगता आप चेन्नई से अयोध्या पहुंच सकते हो चल के यार. कोई
ना ना ना.
चांस ही नहीं है. There's no chance आप
Even
ट्रेन लेके भी
Jatayu is
निकल
out
नहीं
of order
सकते हैं.
now. Cannot.
It's not possible, but anyway, हने southern part हमारा दिवाली हमेशा like चेन्नई में हमारा दिवाली हमेशा एक दिन पहले होता है. If it's
हाँ.
28th, then it was always 19th.
Listen, that day some kid was there. I don't. Yeah, some kid was there, and we were doing something with Diwali. And I was like, एक तो this Diwali is such a big mystery. What is the day? 30, क्योंकि in India everyone was like 31st है कि first है. क्योंकि I
Yeah.
was like छुट्टी तो हमको दोनों दिन मिली है. So I don't know. So I was तो like पता नहीं. So then one kid was there, okay, and that kid was like That is why though we light diyas, because when Ramji came home, it was Amavas, and we were lighting diyas so that we could brighten up the
Yeah.
country for them. And I was like, and I was
That's
like, dude, I need
exactly
to
what
know
I
these
said.
tidbits fast before I have kids.
No, but this I don't know how I know this, but yeah, that's what Amavasi ki night hoti hai, tabhi they light diyas.
Yeah.
These are the things that I said, and I was like, should I really wish I was right? Because I was like, I don't know why I'm like, I wish I was right, and then I went back and I googled. Google told me that yeah, you know what, you're right. This is exactly what.
so,
So I was like,
so you know
thank
what?
God.
Every year ना जब भी लोहड़ी होता है तो every year people are like happy Lodi this and that, and every year I get asked at least 5-6 times ना कि what is the significance of Lodi, and every year I Google because every year I forget. तो
Wait, let me
I'm
tell you.
just
The
like
significance of Lodi is before the harvest, you sort of burn all of the old this thing and
हाँ
है ना वही है ना?
yeah मतलब there is no ऐसा story as such कि ये है, it is just symbolic कि हाँ harvest है. So whenever I give the answer to people they're like नहीं कुछ तो होगा, and I'm like am I missing out on कि क्या होगा, but I was like यही है और कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, I'll tell you why it's confused because लोडी होता है नॉर्थ मतलब पंजाब में होता है स्पेसिफिकली ये और ये सब एक ही टाइम पे होता है ना साउथ में पोंगल वगैरह होता है लाइक संक्रांति होता है ऑल ऑफ दिस हैपेंस अराउंड द सेम टाइम सो इन द सदर्न पार्ट द प्रीवियस ईयर इज bogi also it's like burning all of old things so that is not
हाँ
just about harvest it's about so they burn old clothes and old things like a new beginning so it's technically a new year new
हाँ हाँ
harvest and all of that starts now so that you're basically burning all your old things and like starting afresh like वो वाला चीज होता है
yeah.
bro now I'm very confident that I know a lot of things I'm going to google this now कि bogi का significance क्या है
Listen, you'll get boogie woogie and all. Wiki, wiki.
Mm-mm. Oh, I am right. To honor Lord Indra, the god of rain, and it represents the discarding of useless items to make room for a new beginning and crop.
But which part of India?
This is in the southern part. The bogi
Acha.
ka jo
Vesh, if
bro,
you're
I'll
wrong
give you
about southern part, I'll give you slaps.
no, but Lodi also has the same significance, bro. I'm quite confident because ये
हाँ
सब
तो लोहड़ी का
seasonal
वही
drama
है,
वाला
yeah,
होता
yeah,
है.
it is.
See,
Yeah,
marks the end of sowing season of winter crops and
yeah,
makes way for good harvest season. Why do you
yeah.
burn?
They burn
Why
because
burn?
they are all into farming, na. So they
To
burn the
please the fire god.
that is matlab like a cute meaning and all. But
No, but I'm not, bro. I'm as good as right, bro.
yeah, yeah, it is. This is what it is.
You take crash course from me. I know just enough to give you the crash
Arey
course.
bro, but listen. So kids are anyway so curious. They want to know everything. They're like, why is sun so far?
Yeah.
Why does moon come at night? Now I don't want to be that kid who's like because angels like it. I want to give them. I'm like, bro, I'll tell you. The earth is moving and this is happening. तो कितना मैं
Yeah.
कितना crash course कर लेगी bro? How much will I learn that I haven't learned in 30 years that I will learn
That's
now?
true. That's true.
Yeah, नहीं करती. Listen, if we wanted na, hello, in our marriageable old days, in our early 20s and all, if we wanted, we could have landed rich people on jeevansathi.shadi.com. If we wanted.
Bro, but tell me one thing. Now, this is a hot topic of discussion, okay? Having married for love, would you say you should marry for love or you should marry for money?
One hundo, bro, आंख बंद करके marry for love. आंख बंद करके.
What are you saying? I was going to say you should always marry for money after being garib.
No, तो yeah, you know what? I know a lot of people, okay, personally, who married for money, and see what will you do if you're unhappy? तुम
You
एक
can sing Mitwa to Karan Johar. That's
no,
what
but
you
then
can do
her
with
husband is
money.
also nice, na. He lets her
Yeah,
be.
yeah,
She is like in
yeah.
27 years they've not fought, which is crazy.
I don't think that first of all, I don't think that's possible and that's even true. Or
Yeah,
it's like that Baba's Mon Virat
but
thing that you said.
people are thinking ki bro, I will marry for money, thinking ki they'll get unlimited money, they will get respect from their
Yeah.
partner. ऐसा सब नहीं मिल सकता. You will
Nah.
get a dickhead who will be like, oh, वापस कल मुही पैसा खर्च करके आई है. So all of those strings are also there, na.
Yeah. अच्छे लोग थोड़ी ना मिलते हैं. ये बात भी है. I agree,
True.
bro.
And now tell me one thing. If you have
Yeah.
all the money in the world, you buy everything. Where are you going to go? With who will you go? You don't have a partner. Which party will you go to where people will be like, oh my god, you're looking so good? No one. You will be in your room in the world's best gown, carrying the
Yeah,
world's smallest bag, which is made of
yeah,
diamonds. And then
yeah.
do what with that? So,
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
hmm.
चलो ठीक है.
ठीक है.
First year of marriage is very tricky for women, like very very tricky. Like you have to figure out a lot of shit and you have to figure it out on your own. Suddenly it's like someone is giving you a tight slap and you're figuring out different cultures and like shadi ke baad and things like that, which is, and no one talks about it. So Mrigang was also saying ki bhai, so you guys should really talk about this, because now that my friends like are getting married and all, everyone who's now married, like abhi shadi kiya, like is saal kiya ya pichle saal kiya,
हाँ.
after me, मुझे पता है, and I know that the first year I will get more calls from them, and I'm like, this happens, and I'm like, bro, my mistake is I let it affect me. Now you don't do it.
Yeah,
Like,
that's true.
let it be. So I think Mrigang is like, you guys should really talk about it, because this is a good platform to talk about these things.
Bro,
And
I
like,
love that Mrigank is so invested in the podcast.
bro, he's super invested, and he was so happy because today after work I was so tired and I did only half of the brief that I sent, and I was like, and I was telling Mrigang that listen, I need to brush up a little bit more, and like, I was watching just snippets, like highlights type YouTube में कि जो trailer में आ गया, videos में आ गया, reels में आ गया. So like to brush up on it. So I was like, I still have to do like 2-3 more episodes, and Mrig is like, Nini, get up and do it. And I was so tired because I finished so late.
So
He's like, no,
cute.
go get up and do it. He's like, Nini, jaake kar, tu kar. He's like, nahi kar. It's good that you have something else that you're doing, and like it's nice and this and that. वो
Nice.
खुद भी अभी सोने बस लगा. He's like, Nini, once you finish, we'll sleep.
So cute, man.
He's like,
Not
he's
a
just like.
green flag, green forest.
No, Megang, it just that anger that you spoke about yesterday only got yelled at so much. I was like, Megang, this is not okay. You can't keep doing this. You can't keep doing that. And he's like, you're just like he's like, you're 1 feet shorter than me, and you still like manage to boss all over. And he's like, do you know how tall I am
Vesh, I am of this belief कि short people are the angriest people
in the
and
world? I
in the
agree.
world.
I
And
agree.
small dogs are the angriest. Large ones are very chill. Large,
No,
the
the
larger the
smaller the
dog, the
dogs, the
chiller.
crank, yeah, smaller the dogs, the crankier they are. Larger the dogs, they're like वो बहुत प्यार वाले होते हैं. Smaller they are, they get very cranky and moody and like they
Yeah.
bite and like growl and all of those things. The larger dogs are super chill. They're
And
like, हाँ
my understanding out
मेरे
of this is कि, for short people, na, y'all are like really. I don't remember how tall or short you are, but I know you're shorter than Mrigang, quite
yeah,
shorter.
much, yeah.
So I think you guys have like the pent up anger from concerts of not being able to see anything. And you all are like, यार जो भी देखो ऐसे टपली मार के चले जाता है. So
That's
when
true.
you get angry, you just get really angry.
No, I'm not even thin enough for someone to pick me up on the shoulder. उनका तो break wave हो जाएगा वो तो someone can't even pick me up and be like, हाँ, you see, like I see like these girlfriends and boyfriends are the girlfriend is sitting on and then they're like, हाँ, bro, मैं तो किसी के ऊपर बैठूंगी उनको shoulder dislocate हो जाएगा. I don't even have the benefit of someone being romantic enough to pick me up and be like, yeah, baby, you see the concert. He'll be like, हट बहन, so मेरा shoulder टूट जाएगा. So I can't do it. I just.
हम लोग रेगुलर लोग हैं यार, है कि नहीं? क्या बोलती है तू? आम जनता, मैंगो पीपल, राइट? हमको प्रैक्टिकल होना है. प्रैक्टिकल जिंदगी है, राइट?